Hi KG1, I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learn's Teacher Iman channel. Today I will resume Unit 1 that I started in new English syllabus book. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our unit today. Last class, we start the first unit in the new English syllabus, in new English syllabus KG1. We started by Unit 1. Today, I will resume Unit 1. Then I will start. Then we will start Unit 2 later. But I don't give you. I give you a bit of from this unit, not a whole unit, because I know that it's not as difficult to study more information. I will give you a few words to be able to study and understand what we learned during the video. Today we will revise what we took last video. Last video we talked about gradings, and we took here the two words expressing gradings, which is hi and hello. We know this last class. And know when we start our day, when we start our day, we say good morning. When we leave friends, we say goodbye. This we know last video. And we know the boy and the girl. We know the boy and the girl. No feelings, happy and sad. We last class we learned letter T, capital T and small t, and we have words related to this letter, which is toys, turtle, and train. Toys, turtle, and train. And we know capital letter and small letter, and we know how to write capital T and small t. Last class also we learned how to write number 1 in numbers and in letters. And here I leave you to color one pattern only to expressing the number that we took it. Here we know the color red, and there is a circle that we colored. Last video also we learned letter I. So last class we learned letter T, capital T and small t, and we took also capital I and small I, and we know the words related to this letter. It will be insects, ink, and ink. This is the letter I. I leave you the link last video. I leave the link to trace how to write this letter. I hope to practice how to write the letter by the helping from your parents. And I told you that leave your parents download the book to trace the letters and write the letters and keep the words and know how to write the words also, because it's important to know how to write the letters and how to write the words. Here is a practice that I leave it last video. I can't answer. We will answer together. What is this? What is this called? I'm listening to say, Miss Iman, last class we know that is a turtle. So I select letter T. You are clever people because you know this. So this means that you study what we learned last video. Here we have, here what is this? Insect. You are clever people. I know that you are clever people and study video by video, okay? You are clever pupils, okay? Let's go to another one here. Here we know hello. This is colored. This is the pictures that you colored. I know that you are clever in coloring pictures. Let's read this story together. Here is saying, this boy saying to this girl saying hello. The girl replying him good morning. Number 2, do you want to play? Yes, we. So here the girl asked this boy to. The boy asked the girl, do you want to play? The girl replying, yes, we are friends. I dropped my toy. I'm sad. It's okay. I will help you. Goodbye, goodbye. When we leave someone, we say goodbye. Here we go. We will go to Unit 2. Let's learn unit 2 together. I can find it at school. So here we talk about something that we find it in school. Let's go learn what we see in the school. I think we took this before in Connect, but KG1 can't take Connect before. But the one who learned with me Connect, we know the school tools that we see in school. Let's learn it together in this book. Also, here we have school. We see desk, eraser. We have in pencil and book. So I will saying again. Here is we have board, desk, eraser, pencil, book, classroom. I will repeat and repeat after me. Board, desk, eraser, pencil, book, and classroom. This is the words related to this part. Here we have playground. This is playground. All of us see the playground in the school. Let's go to another one here. What can we see at the playground? In the playground, we see what? We see swing and slide. I think all of us know swing and slide, okay? Here is listen and circle. Where is the things that we see here in this playground? We see here swing and we see slide. This is the things that we see here. This swing and this slide, okay? Let's go to another item here. I make the picture small to be able to see the words, okay? I think now we will be able to see. Here we know what can we see in our classroom. In our classroom, we see board. We see board, teacher, desk, chair, eraser, pencil, book, crayon. I will repeat and repeat after me again. Here we have board, desk, chair, board, desk, chair, eraser, pencil, book, and crayon. Here we have board, teacher, eraser, pencil, book, crayon, chair, and desk. Let's go to another one here. Here we know the letter S. Last class, can you remember me? Last video we took which letters that we took it? Last video we took capital T and small t. We took capital I and small I, and we know the words related to letter T and words related to letter I. The words related to letter T, can you remember with me? Toys, turtle, and toys, turtle, and what? And toys, turtle, and I think we can say tree. Here we have insects, in, and what? Insects, in, and ink, insects, in and ink. We know here. I would like to remember what the third word that we took it last class in letter T. In letter T, last class we took in letter T. You can see train. So last class we learned toys, turtle, and train in letter T. We learned with letter I, insect, ink, and in. This is the words related to this part. Today we will take letter S, capital S and small s. S for what here? Star, sun, and school. Here would be star, sun, and school. These are the words related to letter S. I would like to keep the words with me. Repeat the words with me to keep it. Okay. Here we have star, sun, school, star, sun, and school. Capital S and small s. Capital S and small s. It's easy to write it. Okay. I will leave the book below the video to download it and the trace on the words that we took it in this video. Here is capital S and small s. I will review the link below the video to download it and practice and do this exercise again to practice for what we took in this video. Here we know number 2. Last class we took number 1, and today we will take number 2. Number 2. How to write number 2? This 2 in numbers and 2 in letters written like this. In letters, 2 written like this, and numbers written like this. 1 written like this. Here is 1, I write one as it is, and then I write it in letters as it is. Here is one. Here is one in numbers and one in letters. Two in numbers and two in letters. I can see two chairs. Here is two chairs. I can see two pencils. So here, more than one must be, as we know, must be adding what? Adding to the noun as like pencils, like chairs. Why we put S here? Because this more than two, more than one, I adding S to the noun. Here's chairs. We say chairs. We say pencils. Two pencils and two chairs. Okay. Let's go to another item here. Here we have number 2. Write 2 like this. Write number 2 like this. Here in this exercise, we color two balloons. So I will count with you, and we can color by yourself. 1, 2. So here 2 balloons. Can select this one, 1, 2, or 1, 2. Select any 2. Then you color it by yourself. I think you are creative in doing this act. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here we have this called the blue. Last class we learned the red color. Here is blue. This is blue. So we color this square by the blue color. I will leave it also to do it, because as we told you before, that you are clever, that you are creative in coloring. Here is capital A and small a, written like this. This is called capital A and small a. And I would like to know that A from the vowel sounds. Vowel sounds which will take what? Take A. Like what? The vowels, what are the vowels? The vowels, it will be A, E, I, O, U. Indefinite articles, take A or N, take A. So A, called A from the vowel sounds. Must know this, okay? We will take later, but I would like to know it before we will take, okay? Here is capital A. So now we learn capital A and small a, written like this. Capital A and small a. A for apple and A for ant. A for apple and A for ant. Okay, let's go to another one. There is capital A and small a. Capital A and small a. I will write it as it is, and to be able to write. It is capital A and small a. I will leave you the link of the book below the video to practice how to write capital A and small a. Okay. And write A here in ant and apple to know how to write the word. Okay, as we told you, we must keep the word. Okay. Here is also we will take capital N. Today we will take what? We will take capital S and small s. And we know S for what? For sun, star. We know sun, star, sun, star, and what? Sun, star. I don't remember the third one. I will go to remind with you. Here is school. Here we have we learn capital S and small s. S for sun, S for star, S for school. So we must keep these words today. Okay. Today we will take 3 words. Here is sun, star, and school. I would like to study video by video the words we will take. Why? Because you can collect all these words, and we see that it's difficult to keep all these words. So video by video, we must keep the words. Okay. Here we will take letter S, and we have 3 words. So I keep these words, and I keep the other words of the next letter that we learned today. So here we have 6 words only in the video to be able to study. Okay, here is sun, here is star, sun, and school with letter S. Let's go to another letter here. Today we will take letter S. Today we will learn it. Letter S. We learn number 2, and we learn the color blue. We learn here capital A and small a. So here I will be stopped on letter A. Okay, to be able to study. So here we have 2 words related to letter A, which is apple and ant. Okay. Let's continue the rest of this part, and I stop here to be able to study, okay? To be able to study what we took today. Here is capital A and small a, R for ant, and A for apple. So here we learn 5 words. We learn sun, star, and school, ant, and apple. Today we will be 5 words only today to be able to study. I stop here in this letter. Next class I will continue. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.